State succession is when one state takes over the international relations of another state's territory. This can happen when a state dissolves, unifies, or gains independence. What happens during state succession? 1. The new state, called the successor state, takes on the rights, obligations, and assets of the previous state. 2. The successor state may inherit treaties, debts, state property, and more. And 3. The successor state may also be responsible for political rights and duties, local rights and duties, nationality, and laws. Why is state succession important? State succession helps ensure the continuity of treaties, debts, and other obligations. Smooth transitions are important to avoid conflicts and maintain stability in international relations. Examples of state succession. The Soviet Union dissolved into Russia, Georgia, and Ukraine. Theories of state succession. Continuity theory. The successor state continues the rights and obligations of the predecessor state. Clean slate doctrine. The successor state is not automatically bound by the predecessor state's treaties. In international law, universal succession is when a state's entire identity is destroyed, while partial succession is when a state loses part of its territory but retains its identity. Explanation. Universal succession. This occurs when one state's sovereignty is transferred to another state, and the original state's identity is destroyed. For example, the creation of Turkey from the Ottoman Empire is a case of universal succession. Partial succession. This occurs when a state loses control of part of its territory but continues to exist. For example, the split of Bangladesh from Pakistan is a case of partial succession. The Vienna Convention on Succession of States in Respect of Treaties, VCSST, is an international legal framework that deals with state succession to treaties.